NASA offers dream job for space lovers, a year-long Mars simulation. NASA is seeking for people with dreams of Mars for a long year simulated red planet experience. The space agency's Crew Health and Performance Exploration Analog, CHEPA for short, involves being confined to a 158 square meter, that's 1,700 square foot habitat called Mars Dune Alpha. 4 people at 158 square meters, that's not bad. It's like a big 3-bedroom house with limited resources and facing challenges such as environmental stressors and equipment failures. Well, that's bad news. During the mission, the crew will conduct simulated spacewalks and provide data on a variety of factors, which may include physical and behavioral health and performance, NASA explains on the mission's website. Having this analog environment allows us to put in some of the other realism effects which we might not get on the International Space Station, and it also allows us to get a larger sample size, says CHAPA Principal Investigator Grace Douglas, explaining why this tactic is being used to gather information for future crewed missions to the Moon and Mars. This reality is the core of getting us all of the data that we're going to need to go on these missions. As with all NASA applications, the selection criteria is appropriately tough. Eligible candidates must be U.S. citizens or permanent residents between the ages of 30 and 55, in excellent health, and be non-smokers with no criminal record. Potential crew must also have at least a master's level of STEM qualifications, a minimum of 1,000 hours on an aircraft as an aircraft pilot, or completed military officer training. Application questions range from topics of diets and gut health to experience with isolation and claustrophobia, and you must also provide thoughts on your expectations of the experience. How did you handle the COVID isolation? Asks one of the questions. The entire selection process will take up to 14 months. The first of the 3 planned CHAPEA missions began June 25, 2023, and hit its halfway mark last month. The 4 crew members have successfully completed many challenges, including growing crops while isolated in a 3D printed building in a giant sandbox within NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. The best and the worst part of the mission so far has been how fast it's flown by, said Medical Officer Nate Jones. I know that it's been a truly special year here so far, and so I'm really going to miss it, but I also can't wait to see my family and friends again, he said. Online applications is Tuesday, April 2nd, 2024, so good luck for you who want to do this. This is on Science Alert by Tessa Kumunduros. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.